Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change the password of your account on Steam, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the password of your account on Steam, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to go to your Steam settings. So for that, I want you to click this Steam menu at the top left corner. And then you will now see the settings option, so just click it to open. And once you're on your Steam settings, next, I want you to go to the security section. And here at the security section, you will now see the change password option right here, just go and click it. And before you can proceed on changing your password, Steam would have to send a verification code to your email address to verify that it's really you who's trying to change your password, so make sure that you can open the same email that you used to create your Steam account. So to command Steam to start messaging the code to your email, just click this. And then Steam will now send the code. So just open your email and then you will now be able to see the code there, so just remember it and then enter it right here. And after entering the code, you can now click continue to proceed. And after that, there you go guys, you will now be directed to this page where you can now enter your new Steam password, so just enter what you like, and make sure to remember or keep a note for your password so you won't forget it. And once you're done entering your new password, you can now click this change password button to finally save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Steam password have now been changed, so just enter it again right here to log in your account once again. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.